So encryption of data, explain in a bit more detail that.
Yeah, encryption of data essentially works on two pieces. It's encryption of data at rest. So this is looking at the physical protection of data. So when you're moving data around and it lands on a server, for example, typically it'll land unencrypted. So the best practice is to encrypt the data while it's being stored on the physical file system or whatever the storage, be it database or something else. And only decrypt it when you need to do some other step on it. So if somebody manages to break into your data center, they get access to your physical storage systems, and they rip out the drives and have a look at it, all they'll see is encrypted garbage, because they need to go through the applications and the security and trust and verification process to be able to decrypt the payload while it's at rest. So that's the first factor. The second factor is encrypting data in flight. So this is during the transfer of data from point to point, using protocols that encrypt the packets that you're exchanging between systems, so that nobody can snoop and capture the data while it's being transferred, but also to authenticate the endpoints securely and make sure that all of that is done in as secure a way as possible to minimize privacy being compromised, security being compromised, the credentials being compromised, and managing that. So really it's using protocols that are secured using TLS and using modern ciphers, and avoiding using more open protocols like FTP that's unencrypted or HTTP that's unencrypted. So using SFTP or IBM's Connect Direct protocol, for example.